Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on Nokia X35. And to do this you'll need to launch your Google Play Store. Here try to find the Google Classroom. Now select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it. Click on Get Started, choose the account and set OK. Now press on the plus button, join your class, enter the class code right here, and after doing so, select the join and you should be with your class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.